Hey everyone, Dave Cook, Franco Finishes. This is actually part of our house that had a water leak, and you can see where the damage was done, and they were able to fix it, but cutting out the walls, and we had water, not knowing that water was leaking here for a while. And then by the time we saw water, there was a lot of damage. So one of the things I thought was interesting as I'm trying to fix this in my own home is how far does water travel up a wall? So this is how much we cut off. It's almost 2 feet. And I cut the wallpaper so I could splice it back. But at the edge, it still was bubbled. When I lift it up, it's nice and white because it's still wet. And that water traveled all the way up this wall. And you can still see mold. You can still see the mold in the back of the wallpaper. And it's still coming up. And this is just literally falling off the wall. Because this is still, you can see it turned all wet again. So if you have wall or water damage in your home, if you want to make sure, since you got wallpaper, you can see how far up that is, and this way maybe. So it's almost 5 feet, 5.5 feet from the top down, where that water has come up and traveled up the wick, up the side of the wallpaper on here. So now I know I have to do the same thing on these other walls, take this off, or let this dry out because it stinks. So if you got wallpaper questions, issues, wall damage issues, or questions, definitely let us know at the Franco Finishes. We're here to help you love the space you're in. You can also give us a call at 1-833-WePaper. You can call or text us, and we'll try and help you out as soon as we can. Have a great day.